Today I'll be talking a bit about remarketing, give you an overview as to how you should plan your remarketing audiences and segmentation. And then on Monday, we're gonna do a practical setup in Google Analytics. Okay, so there are two ways you can do remarketing. One is obviously you can set up a Google Ads remarketing tag and run ads to those people who have been through to your website. The problem with that is you are only going to target Google Ads, the visitors who have come through Google Ads, because you will also have other channels and traffic sources where visitors will come through to your website. Direct, organic, brand search terms, social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all these places, email marketing, traffic. So if you don't set these up properly in Google Analytics, you won't be able to retarget to them. And what you can also do is to take your remarketing to the next level is put in every channel's tags on your website first. You want to put in obviously Google Ads, Facebook. So on our site, I put every tag, LinkedIn, Twitter. What else have we? YouTube is obviously covered by Google. There's one more, which is Instagram is through Facebook as well. So I'll put in over here. And we're starting with TikTok very soon. Put the tags in because at least you start to capture, even if you're not planning to run any ads. Just capture the audience, pixel them in, because that's what you are paying for. Then what you want to do is set up all these tags. Now if you were to put all these tags, you'll have to go one at a time obviously, and you will have to go into the back end every time. We use Google Tag Manager. All these tags, no matter what tag it is, goes under the tag manager. It makes life so much simple and easy to manage all your tags from here. There will be loads more: conversion tracking, call tracking, any kind of tag which you want to put in. Put it through Tag Manager. Once you put the Tag Manager tag on your website, you don't need to touch the website anymore. All you do is control all these tags from here to the interface. Now, like most Google products, Tag Manager is also for free and you can use it. It's a really good app, and there will be a learning curve, but if you don't know how to do it, then hire somebody. Just give them the tag, email them the tag, and they'll put it through to Fire on your website. And then from there you control all these other tags. So things like conversion linker tag, call tracking. There will be loads more. Quora, thank you, Nikhil. Yes, we do have a Quora one as well. And the email is missing. Emails usually don't have a tag unless you have an email account. So we use ActiveCampaign as our email marketing software. The plan we have, it allows us to do event tracking. What that means is we put a piece of tag onto our website. If you are in my ActiveCampaign email list and you go to my website, it will know that this subscriber has gone to my site. And I'm just talking a little bit about email marketing, but it's very interesting what we can do. Is very creative as well. So let's say if a visitor is in my email list and he keeps going to the site, so I can set up a lead scoring that every time somebody clicks and goes onto our site, to our email list, give it a lead score. And if the lead score goes over 50 or 60 points, send me an email that such and such person has been to the site so many times and the lead score is above 50 or 60. What this will tell me is, okay, this guy keeps going to the site. That means he is interested in our services. So I can personally email you, send you an email. Hello, John, or hello, Richard, whoever it may be. Thought I'll send you a quick email to see if I can be of any help to you. That's it. Now, that person, they'll think, wow, I've just been on the website a few times in the last few weeks and he's personally sent it to me. Is it a coincidence? No, because that person or that audience is being tracked, and you can start that conversation and they can reply back and say, no, I'm just browsing your website or watching a video. That's fine, but you never know. They may be very interested and intrigued how they got this email whilst they were searching or surfing on our site. Okay, so let's go move back to analytics. So analytics is where we will set up our remarketing audiences. And the first thing you need to do is to link your analytics to your Google Ads account. So today I'm going to give you an overview, and then on Monday we'll go and set all this up. At least you know what we'll be doing. First, link both of them so the data flows from analytics into Google Ads. Then we're going to set up goals, event tracking, conversion tracking, or whatever. And then obviously set up our audience list as well. So let's start with the audience. Audience is a person, man or woman or child, who is on your website. So it can consist of anyone who has been to your website. We can set up bouncers, and what I mean by bouncers is who have stayed on your site for less than 3 seconds or 5 seconds. You can classify that time. So I don't want to go after these people because they've just bounced off my website within 3 seconds. They're not even looking at it, they're not reading it. It could be spammy traffic or irrelevant or bot traffic. Then we could have converters, those who have converted on your site. Now a converter could be email sign up subscriber, somebody made a purchase, someone submitted a form, or any other call to action which you classify as a conversion. Now you will find and hear lots of marketers say different things about going after the converters. Well, why would you go after them if they've already converted? Well, you can offer them an upsell or a different offer, or they've made one purchase from you. They are more likely to buy something else, and keep pushing them down the funnel and build up that brand equity with you. So I like going after the converters as well. A lot of marketers will say we exclude them from our remarketing list. They've made the purchase. We don't want to go after them and waste more money. As I was saying just earlier on, that somebody who has been to your site multiple times. You can also have a non-converter, those who have not converted, and this is obviously where we will be focusing most. We want people to convert. Returning visitors, those who have been to our site for 3-day list, 15-day list, 30-day list without converting. Then we have time on site, how much time they spent on the site. So we could have, I'm just giving an example. You can make up your own time on site and the duration. So this could be a 30-day list for those who spent less than 2 minutes on the site per session, between greater than 120 seconds but less than 240 seconds, so between 2 and 4, so they are more valuable to me, and from greater than 240 seconds, less than 360, 6 minutes. So this one is even more valuable because they're staying on the site even longer, and 360 seconds or more. You can have 10 minutes or 600 seconds, whatever you want. You can set these up. Then you have video, because we have a video pretty much on every page of our website, and we want to know how many people are clicking on the video and how far are they viewing those videos for. So someone who has viewed the video for 25% is less valuable to someone who has viewed 50% compared to someone who has viewed 75%, or the most valuable visitor who will be someone who has viewed 100% of the video out of these four. So these are our audiences. Then we also set up goals. The goals could be pages per session, 2 or more pages per session, 4 or more pages per session, 6 or more pages per session.